During the pandemic, we have been seeing a new avatar of Rahul Gandhi over the last 3 months. He has not only been actively intervening in quite measured, thoughtful manner as an opposition leader in the middle of an unprecedented health crisis, but also appears to have come a long way from how he led the Congress during last year's parliamentary elections. Rahul Gandhi's foresightedness about the severity of the pandemic is evident from the fact that he alerted the government long before the coronavirus spread broke out in the country. Rahul Gandhi targeted Prime Minister Modi with the charges of corruption in Rafale deal, yet in his one-to-one interviews with the experts, he did not show the similar aggression. He came across as a friendlier, calmer individual with a contemplative streak. There was an obvious disjunction between what he was and what he portrayed. During COVID crisis, Rahul has been heard saying that he doesn't want to criticize but to move ahead in positive manner. Gandhi sent himself into self-imposed exile after a defeat in the general elections, forcing his party to press his mother Sonia Gandhi to steer the sinking ship. As Prime Minister Modi has had to deal with a major economic crisis and health emergency, the former Congress president has emerged as a self-assured and well-informed leader of the biggest opposition party in the country. Before the COVID crisis, Rahul Gandhi's parliamentary interventions garnered quite a bit of attention, especially on controversial CAA and proposed National Register of Indian Citizens. Through the coronavirus pandemic, however, Rahul seems to have warmed up to a greater leadership role by voicing concerns of the migrants rendered jobless, homeless and penniless. In his multiple virtual interactions, Rahul has shown a thoughtful side, even as Congress President Sonia Gandhi and the party machinery have trained their guns directly at the government. He has refrained from attacking the Prime Minister directly and has instead questioned the opacity of his government. He turned into a quasi-journalist when he interviewed economists Raghuram Rajan and Abhijit Banerjee, health experts and Ambassador Burns to seek advice on mitigating the economic disaster and political reshaping during the crisis. His frequent interventions have helped make the labour crisis in India the most important issue to be addressed during the lockdown. At the same time, he has been voicing in what has been a largely suggestive spirit a more wholesome plan to tackle the spread of Covid-19. Rahul Gandhi has called for a strategic planning to handle the crisis. He has been frequently talking about the migrants, MSMEs, revival of economy and improvement in the healthcare system. Former Congress president has tried to be constructive rather than being confrontational. Rahul Gandhi has evolved as a leader of the masses during the COVID crisis.